Splashdown is a pirate-themed log flume ride with 2 large drops. Officially, you'll be traveling through an unnamed logging town and pass near the Pirates area before taking on Splashdown Falls. The Wikipedia page says it's a ride through Polynesia, but it doesn't have a cited reference, and I couldn't find any official statements about it. Take a look around and tell us what you think the story is. Your kids will need to be at least 36 inches tall, that's 3 feet, to ride. And they need to ride with someone at least 48 inches tall, or 4 feet. Let's climb the first lift hill and get soaked!
I did. Well, that poor guy has seen better days. But at least he's got his treasure. See what it says? Brace yourself now. Do not lean forward, okay? Think you can handle that, dude?
Yeah.
Guess we'll see. Just means hold on. Best you can.
I'm not that wet. I'm hardly wet at all. That was fun.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
You like that?
Up next, take a ride on that enormous roller coaster you just saw in the background, the Desert Storm. It's pretty crazy with 2 loops. Or take a ride on the closed forever Splash Mountain. You excited for Tiana's Bayou Adventure? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks so much for riding Splashdown with us. We love you. We'll see you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.